She's looking at me.
Mm-hmm. It's okay. Don't be afraid, Smokey.
Don't be afraid. It's just the thunder.
It's just the thunder, Smokey.
And it's rain.
Yeah, but you're not outside.
No, we're in the house.
Mm-hmm.
Look, hey, let's go. Hey, Smokey, let's go. Let's go. Let's see? Let's see? Let's go. Hey, Smokey, let's go.
Where are you taking her?
She don't want to see the storm cloud.
Oh. So where are you going to take her to go? I think she just wants to stay right here with Mommy.
She wants to say he wants to be.
It's okay, Smokey. Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. I'm staying right here. Says no. What's that?
What?
That yellow thing?
What little thing?
That
Oh, just a sleeper guy by her eye.
sleeper guy.
Yeah.
It's just the storm. You're not going outside.
You're a good girl, Callie. Thank you. Smokey feels better now.